Right guys, quick chat on mixing two-stroke fuels and what I use and ratios I use, etc. For the majority of you watching, you'll probably be using a 50:1 ratio or something recommended by the manufacturer. That's not, however, what I use. For all my new equipment, I use 46:1 in all my Stills and Huskies and whatever else I've got, all the newer equipment. I also use a 40:1 mix and a 32:1 mix as well, so I run 3 mixtures. I say the 32:1, that's for older equipment, bits and pieces, and 40:1 is again for your sort of less new equipment and some of your Chinese stuff, and it just runs a bit better with a bit more oil and less chance of anything going wrong. How I mix my fuel, I used to, so say take a 5 litre container, I used to fill 5 litres with petrol, unleaded petrol, and then mix my oil to suit. So I'd have to figure out exactly what 46:1 would be in 5 litres, but now how I do it, I put the exact amount of fuel I need for 100 millilitres of oil. So in this case, 46:1, I put 4.6 litres of unleaded petrol in, and then I put 100 millilitres of oil, two-stroke oil, in, and that gives me my 46:1. What I normally do is I have a 10 litre container and a 5 litre container of the same ratio mix, as it were. So I've got a 10 litre container of 46:1. So again, if I'm filling this up at the petrol station, I'll put 9.2 litres in, and then all I need to do, quickly measure out 200 millilitres of oil. Nice and easy, no messing around. I basically do everything so I'm measuring out 100 millilitres or 200 millilitres of oil every time I'm filling up. It just makes it so much easier. I'm not trying to do 105 or a weird little number, so that's just what I do. Oil I use, this is what I use now still, HP Super, good stuff. Used to use this stuff back in the day. I've only got a little bit of this stuff left. I think it's quite old, this one, but yeah. And before that I used to use Rock Oil, again good oil. Make sure if you're using any oils, make sure it's good quality oil. You don't want to be using cheap stuff in your equipment, basically. And how I measure it out, again, get yourself a little decent measuring beaker, a little small one, makes it nice and easy to measure out. And I'm always buying bulk as well, so excuse me, I always buy 5 litre containers. It works out a lot cheaper. I think this was about 36 quid, I think it cost me. Far cheaper than buying the 1 litre bottles or the Stihl one shots, which I think they're up to nearly 2 quid now for a 100 ml, which is ridiculous if you ask me. So yeah, this again, 36 quid for a 5 litre container. That's you know, you're saving there. So yeah, that's pretty much it really. Just a little quick showing of you how I do things, and any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching.